Let me show you exactly how to download and install Discord on PC under 1 minute. First, open your web browser and go to the official Discord website. Just search Discord on Google and click the first link. That is the safest way to avoid fake sites. Once you are on the homepage, look for the big Download for Windows button. If you are on a Mac, it will say Download for Mac instead. Go ahead and click it. That will download the setup file to your computer. After the file finishes downloading, open your Downloads folder. You should see a file called Discord Setup.exe. Double-click it to start the installation. Honestly, the rest happens automatically in just a few seconds. Super easy. Once the installation is done, Discord will launch by itself. From there, you can log in with your existing account if you already have one. Or if you are new, just click Register to create a brand new account. It walks you through everything. And that is all there is to it. You are now on Discord. If this video helped you out, tap the subscribe button before you go. I make quick tutorials like this all the time. Also, comment down below so I know this worked for you. Next video, I will show you how to set up your profile and join your first server. You do not want to miss that one.